Hi, this is Scott Hankey. I'm the owner of OnSite Consulting. If you're watching this video, chances are you got our alert from our monitoring program saying your hard drive is full. So I'm going to go through some explanation of what that means, why it's important, and what you need to do. To start with, your hard drive is kind of like a filing cabinet. You keep all your stuff in there, your documents, your photos, all your programs. Well, it kind of works like my bottom drawer over here. All those things work really well, but you need a little bit of space to get it out. You know, you need to go like this and pull your information out. The best hard drives work when they're less than 90% full. After 90%, major things happen. So you need a little bit of space like this. So look at my top drawer. This one's almost 100% full. When it's 100% full, you can't really move these files very well and see what's inside. In fact, a computer whose hard drive is more than 90% starts to get progressively slower and slower. If it gets to 100%, you will not be able to start your computer at all. And we've had to have that happen before, and it's really hard to get your information out if you can't start the computer. So anyway, we sent you this alert. Sometimes it could be an error in the hard drive, and maybe it just thinks it's full, because most hard drives aren't full. So what you need to do is you need to bring in your computer, and we're going to test it to see if the hard drive is failing, if it is truly full, or if there's maybe a Windows error. There's no need to make an appointment. You just bring it into the office, and we're going to give you free diagnostics on there. We want to make sure that our monitoring program is working well. So we're going to double check it, find out if it's a bad hard drive, something corrupted with Windows, or if it's really, truly, your hard drive is full. So go ahead and come on in. Hopefully we can help you out soon.